Just want to do a quick short video. This is a 1978 Cadillac Eldorado with the 425, and I've been having problems with the alternator not charging the battery, and this has been going on for months. And I changed out the alternator thinking it was the alternator because, you know, the alternator was over 15-20 years old, and it wasn't the problem. Then the car sat over the winter, took it out again in the spring, and thinking same problem, you know, battery voltage drops and the car won't start. Only getting you know, like 10-11 volts to the battery. Battery was dead. So battery is 5 years old. I thought, okay, maybe I got a bad cell in the battery. Put a new battery in it, put it back together, same thing. I'm only getting battery voltage when the engine was running 12.3 volts. So bring the alternator back to the place I got the alternator from, asked them to test it for me. They said it's working fine, nothing wrong with it, but the problem you probably have is your air pump belt is probably slipping. He said that's a common problem with these Cadillacs because the air pump belt drives off the crankshaft, drives the water pump, and then in turn turns a separate belt that's connected to the water pump to the alternator. And so this is the correct belt. Put it back together, started it up, put the voltmeter on the battery, and I'm getting 14.7 volts out of the alternator. With the lights on, 14.5. So that was the problem. It was this belt right here that drives the air pump was slipping, not allowing the alternator to spin at full capacity, and therefore it wasn't charging the battery. So there you go. For those that are stuck on that problem, I just wanted to share that with you. And again, this is a 1978 Cadillac Eldorado with the 425. And this is your air pump belt that you should have. Thanks for watching.